Good morning, little friends. This is Max, a tiny but brave puppy who loves adventures. Look at Max wagging his fluffy tail. He's ready for a fun day. Oh wow, what's that? A bright red ball is rolling down the hill. Max's eyes go wide. He's so excited. Hop, hop, hop! Max runs down the soft green hill, sliding and hopping as fast as he can. Whee! Look at him go. Oh, who's this? It's Lily, a cute little kitten. Hi, Max. Can I play too? She asks sweetly. Of course, Max barks happily. Together, Max and Lily chase the red ball. They run, tumble, roll, and giggle. Ha ha! What a silly, fun game. Look at them laughing. Max and Lily are having the best adventure ever. Now they sit under a big shady tree, tired but smiling. What a wonderful day, says Max. Lily curls up next to him and purrs softly. As the sun sets, Max looks at you and smiles. I can't